JEE Mains 2018 paper. First question is, if the curves y square is equal to 6x and 9x square plus by square is equal to 16 intersect each other at right angles, then the value of b, is. So here two curves are given. The two curves are intersect each other. Then value of b is. Now the first curve is y square is equal to 6x. First curve is y square is equal to 6x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Y square differentiation is 2y into y differentiation. Dy by dx is nothing but y dash, which is equal to 6 into x differentiation 1. From this, y dash is equal to 6 by 2y. Implies y dash is equal to 3 by y. Therefore, y dash dy by dx is nothing but slope of first curve. Slope is denoted by m. Slope of first curve is m1. m1 is equal to 3 by y. Now, from second curve, the second curve is 9x square plus by square is equal to 16. 9x square plus by square is equal to 16. Again differentiating with respect to x, 9x square differentiation is 18x plus b constant, y square differentiation 2y dash is equal to differentiation of constant is 0. Implies 18x is equal to minus 2by dash. Implies y dash is equal to minus 18x by 2by. Y dash is equal to minus 18x by 2by. Implies y dash is equal to minus 9x by by. Therefore, slope of second curve is denoted by m2. m2 is minus 9x by by. This is m2. Now the condition is at right angle intersect each other at right angle. Right angle is nothing but product of slopes is minus 1. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. First slope is 3 by y into 9x by minus 9x by by is equal to minus 1. Here minus gets cancelled. 3 into 9, 27x by by square is equal to 1. Implies 27x is equal to by square. Implies 27x is equal to b into, we know that y square is equal to 6x. Y square is equal to 6x. X gets cancelled. Implies b is equal to 27 by 6. Get 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, b is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore, b is equal to 9 by 2. So, your answer is 9 by 2. Option A. Now, the second question is, let u vector be a vector coplanar with the vectors a bar is equal to 2i plus 3j minus k and b bar is equal to j plus k. U bar is perpendicular to a. U is perpendicular to a and u dot b is equal to 24. Then mod u bar is equal to. Then the value of mod u bar is. Now the solution is. Here two vectors are given. A bar is equal to 2i plus 3j minus k. B bar is equal to j plus k. Given u is perpendicular to a. Since u is perpendicular to a, then u dot a must be 0. Then u dot a is equal to 0. And given u dot b is equal to 24. Now let us take u is equal to xa plus yb. U is equal to xa plus yb. Now u dot a is equal to 0. From this, u dot a, u is xa plus yb dot a is equal to 0. Implies x into a dot a. A dot a means a dot a is nothing but mod a square. A dot a is mod a square plus y into b dot a is equal to 0 implies x into, here mod a square is nothing but, here a is a 2i plus 3j minus k, then mod a square will be mod a is nothing but magnitude of a, under root 2 square 4, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 1 14, then mod a square is 14 plus y into b dot a, dot product of two vectors, here 0 plus j dot j1 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, therefore b dot a is 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 has common here, 7x plus y is equal to 0. That is equation 1. 7x plus y is equal to 0. Next, since u dot b is equal to 24, u dot b is equal to 24, from this u is again xa plus yb dot b is equal to 24 implies x into a dot b plus y into b dot b can be written mod b square is equal to 24 implies x into, already we got a dot b or b dot a is 2 plus y into mod b square, but b is j plus k, then mod b is equal to under root 1 plus 1 2 root 2, mod b square is 2 is equal to 24 implies 2x plus 2y is equal to 24, then x plus y is equal to 12, then x plus y is equal to 12. That is equation 2. Now solve 1 and 2. First we eliminate x here. We have to eliminate x. So here multiply by 7 on both sides. From first equation, 7x plus y is equal to 0. Equation 2 is multiplied by 7. Then it will be 7x plus 7y is equal to 12 into 7, 84. We have to subtract minus y minus 7y minus 6y, which is equal to minus 84. Then y is equal to 84 by 6, minus gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6 fours are, which is equal to 14. Therefore y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14. Now we have to find a mod u. Mod u is nothing but, mod u is u dot, mod u square is u dot u. U dot u. Again u is a xa plus yb dot u, which is equal to x into a dot u is 0 plus y into b dot u, which is equal to x into 0 plus y into b dot u. B dot u is or u dot b. B dot u dot b both are same, 24. But we know that y is equal to 14. 14 into 24. 14 into 24, 336. Therefore mod u square is 336. Your answer is B. Sorry, there is a mistake in this question. It should be square here, mod u square. Correct it now. Therefore mod u square is equal to 336. 336. B is the correct answer.